is this? This is the search for the lost tendon, is it?
The tendon that I don't know about.
The Philippsschen muscle tendon.
The what?
The Philippsschen muscle tendon.
Well, that's the problem when you listen to the Germans, you see. So
Must have been Mr. Philippsschen.
yeah. So let's see where it shows it in the book. Come on then, Gavin. Show us this.
So here we are, we're looking at number 2 here.
So it's just a...
muscle tendon.
Well, we'll see if Stephen can find it.
Yeah.
The joint capsule. That's what it looks like here. You can't see where it originates.
And is it lateral or medial to the two other extensors?
It's more sort of directly in front. It's right in between the common and the lateral. So as the common starts to come round towards the front of the limb, it's in between.
So just show me in detail. So this is this mysterious tendon, is it?
Philippsschen.
Whereabouts?
If you go down more into towards the joint capsule.
Tell me, have you found the mysterious tendon?
We have indeed.
Right, if you can show me where it is. So just show me the common digital extensor and the...
This is the common.
Yeah, the big one. And then the other one is the lateral digital extensor tendon. And now we've got a fairly weedy little thing, but it's definitely a separate structure, isn't it?
It's a Philippsschen muscle tendon.
What is it again?
Philippsschen
Muscle
tendon.
So a bit disappointing you didn't find yet another one that we could have named the Hilius
Well, it does look like there's
tendinous.
two, but if you go even further, there's 2 parts.
I think if you look hard enough for something, you see anything.